In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to find both print books and ebooks through Fulton Library. Whether you're writing a paper or just exploring a topic, books are a great way to dive deeper than articles allow. Here's a tip. You don't always have to read the whole book. Sometimes just a chapter or two is exactly what you need. Let's get started. From the library homepage, click on Books and More. If you already know the title or author of the book you want, type it into the search bar. To get the best search results, put quotation marks around the title or the author's full name. This keeps the words together in that order. Now let's try a search. We'll type in college success. Remember those quotation marks. They keep phrases, which are more than one word, together. On the results page, we're seeing a mix of sources. To narrow your results to just books, click All Filters, and then choose Source Type to select books, ebooks, or both. Let's look at the second result. You'll see that it has a location and a call number, which means it's a print book, and it's available right now. You have a couple of options. You can write down the location and call number, or take a quick screenshot with your phone, then head to the shelves and find it yourself. While you're there, be sure to take a look at the nearby books because academic libraries organize books by subject, so you'll likely discover other titles that are similar in topic. A second option for getting the book is to click Access Options to place a hold on the book. Once it's ready, you'll get an email notification, usually about a day. Then you can pick it up at the first floor circulation desk. If you need to cite a source, on the results page, click on a book and then click the citation icon to quickly copy the citation in MLA, APA, or other common formats. You'll want to double check them for accuracy. Now let's look at an ebook. Click on the title to see the details, like a summary or table of contents. And to save it for later, use the share icon to get a link or email it to yourself. Remember to use the citation icon to cite it. When you're ready to read the book, click Access Now or a link to the book. Once you're inside the ebook, look for the Search Within feature. This makes it easy to quickly find the sections of the book that are most relevant to your topic. To search for textbooks, click on the Textbooks link in the Books and More tab on the library's homepage. In the Course Reserved search box, type in the name of your course, the department, or the course number. Keep in mind, these textbooks are available for short-term checkout, usually about 2 hours. If you can't find the book you need, no problem. You can request it for free through our interlibrary loan service. Most books arrive within about 12 business days. Also, as a UVU student, you can check out books from other universities. Contact them ahead of time to learn about their checkout policies before you go. And that's it. If you get stuck, have questions, just ask a librarian. We're very happy to help. Happy searching.